In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Clickup so you never miss repeating work again. Make sure to watch until the end to make your tasks even more organized. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace before you start. Choose the space where you want to set the recurring task. Double check that the task already exists or create a new one if needed. Click the task you want to make recurring to open its details. This will show you more task options. You can see the date section near the top. Just click it to open the calendar settings. This is where you'll set up the recurrence. Now, click Set Recurring to open the recurring options. A new menu will pop up to customize how it repeats. Adjust the settings like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. After you finish setting it the way you prefer, just click Save and you're done. And that's how easy it is to create a recurring task in Clickup. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more Clickup tutorials. See you next time!